Certainly. Here's a summarized version in a more conversational tone, suitable for training purposes. Karnataka State Civil Services Conduct Rules 2021. Introduction. These rules are designed to guide the behavior and duties of government employees in Karnataka, ensuring they maintain high ethical standards, political neutrality, and accountability. Key points to remember. Integrity and duty. Always maintain absolute integrity and devotion to duty. Avoid any criminal activities or behavior that is unbecoming of a government servant. Ethical standards. Uphold high ethical standards and political neutrality. Ensure fairness and impartiality in all duties. Be accountable, transparent, responsive, and courteous in interactions. Supervisory roles. Ensure the integrity and devotion to duty of your subordinates. Act professionally, uphold the Constitution, and make decisions in the public interest. Specific conduct rules. Employment influence. Do not use your position to secure jobs for family members in firms that have official dealings. Political activity. Stay away from political activities and movements. Prevent family members from engaging in such activities and report if they do. Election participation. Do not interfere in elections or use your influence. You may vote but do not disclose your voting choices. Association membership. Do not join associations that are against India's sovereignty, integrity, or public order. Foreign tours. Get prior permission for private foreign tours. Demonstrations and strikes. Do not engage in demonstrations or strikes that harm state interests. Media connections. Get permission before owning or managing media outlets. Avoid publishing or broadcasting content without permission, except for purely literary, artistic, or scientific work. Criticism of government. Avoid public criticism of government policies unless safeguarding service conditions. Committee evidence. Get permission before giving evidence to committees, except in judicial or departmental inquiries. Official information. Follow the Right to Information Act when disclosing official information. Subscriptions and gifts. Do not solicit funds or accept gifts except under certain conditions like family occasion. Dowry. Giving or taking dowry is strictly prohibited. Public demonstrations. Get permission before receiving complimentary addresses or attending valedictory functions. Private trade or employment. Do not engage in trade or business without permission, though some honorary work is allowed. Financial vigilance. Be vigilant with financial matters and avoid misuse of public funds or resources. Investment and borrowing. Avoid speculative investments and borrowing from individuals with official dealings. Insolvency. Manage your finances to avoid debt or insolvency. Property transactions. Report and get permission for acquiring or disposing of property within India and abroad. Vindication of acts. Get permission before approaching courts or media for vindicating official acts. Guardianship. Do not act as a legal guardian for minors without permission. Influence and representation. Avoid using political or other influence for personal service interests. Marriage restrictions. Do not marry while having a living spouse or marry a foreign national without permission. Intoxication. Do not consume intoxicants during duty or in public places. Child labor. Do not employ children under 18 years for work. Sexual harassment. Avoid any acts of sexual harassment at the workplace. Family care. Take care of your spouse, children, and parents. Higher studies. Get permission before pursuing higher studies. Conclusion. These rules are here to help you maintain a high standard of conduct, ensuring integrity, transparency, and accountability in your public service roles. If you liked all these points, please like the channel and share it with your friends. More good information about service matters will be brought to you in the future. Endless thanks to you for listening to this voice message.